Imagine mastering the art of cooking from world-class chefs, all from the comfort of your home. L'Atelier des Chefs, a leading culinary chain, makes this possible with their professional cooking workshops. With a growing demand for virtual training, L'Atelier des Chefs needed a scalable, efficient solution to manage more than 50 unique tenants. The challenge? Delivering a personalized and seamless learning experience for each workshop. That's where Paradiso Multi-Tenancy LMS came in, providing separate yet unified learning spaces for multiple tenants. Effortless user and content management across different workshops. Scalable infrastructure ensuring a smooth and engaging experience. The result? A cutting-edge learning experience that helped chefs in training hone their skills with zero disruptions. Want to transform your online training? Discover Paradiso LMS Multi-Tenancy today. Visit www.paradisosolutions.com to learn more and book a demo today. Don't forget to subscribe for more expert tips on transforming your training experience. Empower your learning journey, one solution at a time.